As we continue to move through the class, our next topic is graduate school and professional certifications. This assignment will be broken down into one or the other. If you're interested in going to graduate school, you'll do the graduate school assignment. If you're interested in getting a professional certification, you will do that assignment. They are both on the same link, and so you can read them both to determine which one might be a better fit for you. Like before, I would like you to watch the PowerPoint on graduate school and professional certifications. There are also some YouTube links to some videos about grad school. This one is very good, and I really would hope that you would listen to it if you plan to go to graduate school at any time in the future. It really helps to map out some of the things that you might be forgetting to do. The certification one is a video that I want you to kind of take with a grain of salt. It gives very, very good information. However, the person presenting it is not the most professionally dressed individual, and he may or may not say some words that I probably wouldn't choose to use in my lectures. However, it does do a pretty good job of outlining some of the best certifications in our field, and it was one of the better videos that I found. So I thought that you guys might be interested in watching that. Keep in mind that I do not approve of some of the language that he uses. This link here is for study tools. I'm going to go ahead and click on it so you can see exactly what it does. It is through the library at Coastal, and for anyone who is hoping to go to graduate school, an entrance exam is typically part of that protocol. And you'll have to take the GRE or the MCAT or a similar test in order to get to school. So if you click on the college student tab and then scroll down to prepare for graduate school admissions exams, you'll find that there are preparation and practice tests for the GMAT, which is usually for business school, the GRE, the LSAT, which is typically for law school, the MAT, which can be used for a variety of different things, the MCAT, and the PCAT. So all of these tests are sometimes required by a graduate school, and the preparation for them can sometimes be expensive and difficult. So the library actually offers some practice tests for free that follow the exact same protocol as the GRE test when you go to the testing center to take it, or the MCAT, or whatever test you might be taking. So this is an awesome resource that I wish I had when I was your age, because it really could help to prepare for the test. So that's something that's pretty cool, that if you're planning on going to graduate school, you do have a way to study for those tests that won't cost you as much money as other ways to do that. Once you watch the PowerPoint, you listen to the YouTube videos that I have here, you will have an assignment, and you can choose to do one or the other. So if you want to go to graduate school, there's a list of questions that you would answer. Please note that it says 2 to 3 paragraphs answering the following questions. Or if you choose to go to graduate school, you can answer these 10 questions in as much detail as you'd like. So both of those are really just to kind of help you sort through the process of either getting a certification or going to graduate school. Some of you may be well on your way and already started the process a long time ago, but for those of you who haven't, this is a good way to get started. I hope you're enjoying your semester, you guys. I wish I could see you in person a little bit more. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon.